quality action day means that ground level ozone concentrations within the region may... WXL-70's public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXL-70, broadcasting near Charlotte, on a frequency of 162.475 MHz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Anson, Cabarrus, Catawba, Cleveland, Jackson, Ardell, Lincoln, Mecklenburg, Montgomery, Richmond, Rowan, Stanley, and Union. In South Carolina, Cherokee and York. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test.
Take a look at the time, 11:55. They issued a weekly test. They waited 55 minutes to tone it. That's the longest time I've seen them do it. Come on, GSP. Come on. And my zone guard activates for an unrecognized freaking message.
This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards WXL-70.
At least every radio activated.
North Carolina.
But come on, GSP. Come on. You're better than that.